Welcome to this iPad coaching for digital responsibility. If you're here, you probably feel it already. Your iPad genuinely helps you, but it also pulls you into noise, tabs, scrolling, and random detours that leave you more drained than productive. This coaching series gives you something better than use it less. It gives you clear rules, strong boundaries, and an iPad setup that makes the right choice feel like the easy choice. We're going to treat your iPad like what it should be: a purposeful tool you control, not a device that trains you to live in interruption, not a constant companion that turns every quiet moment into a feed. This is a responsibility first approach that is designed to help you build an environment where discipline is the norm. If you stick with it, you'll notice the shift. You'll pick up your iPad with a purpose, do what you came to do, and put it down without it trying to keep you. Our reset will follow 4 simple guidelines. Apps shouldn't be everywhere. You should be getting little to zero notifications. You must have one place where new files land every single time. And lastly, we're going to design a structure you can maintain in minutes. We will use the first guideline to reset our home screen.